Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Doro 8100 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time. And here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic options. So first of all, let's turn off all of those switchers. And now we can manually change the date. Just tap on it and choose the date from the calendar. Tap on OK. The same situation with the time. Just choose it from the clock. Of course, it will be immediately applied. The time zone, just tap on it, choose region, and here we've got all available regions. So find yours and tap on it, and it will be immediately applied. Here you can manually decide what kind of time format you want to use. So currently we've got the 12-hour format. We can use 24-hour one just by using this switcher. So this is the manual customization. You can always get back to previous settings just by using those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.